channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I have a huge makeup haul for you guys. So I went in at the Sephora sale, the spring sale. I'm Rouge, so I got a 20% off. So you know I had to take advantage because it's not often that Sephora gives you a good discount. And I also went to the makeup show this past Sunday, Cinco de Mayo, and I got a couple things there as well. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with my makeup show stuff. I put it all in one bag because it's easier that way. So for those of you that don't know what the makeup show is, it's like a trade show, I think that's what it's called, where all these professional makeup brands go in and they sell discounted products. There's also seminars. Like all these makeup artists were there. Vanessa Davis was there, Vanessa Myricks was there, Natasha Denona was there. I did not see her though. And all these people, I honestly cannot remember names. But it was an amazing experience, and I was able to get some makeup for myself and for my kids. So I feel like the makeup show is like the time to take advantage of all the sales and just go in. But I wasn't able to go in as much as I would have liked, simply because I ain't got it like that, but I tried. So first off, I got the Bioderma Sensible H2O Solution Micellar Water. I'm just saying random shit that's on the bottle. I don't even know what this is called. It's micellar water, whatever. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. So what's really cool about this bottle is, like, if you press down on it, like with a cotton pad, that's when the product comes out. And I just think that's really neat and unique. I've never seen anything like it. I got two Suva Beauty Hydro Fix liners, which I am wearing today. I'm wearing the orange one on the outer portion of my eye, and then the pink one on the not inner corners, but the inner portion of my eye. I do have a tutorial on this look. If you guys want to check it out, I will link it down below. What am I talking about? No, I haven't uploaded the tutorial. I will upload the tutorial after this video, some days after. I don't know, whatever. Just be on the lookout. The video will be coming up. I got the shades Acid Trip and Scrunchy. I also got the NYX matte liquid liner. This is my favorite liner ever. Honestly, I should have gotten more than one, because normally these are like $7 to $8 where I live, and at the show they were like $4 something. So it was a pretty good deal. I also got some brushes. Honestly, again, I should have gotten more. Some of them are for myself, some of them are for my kids. I haven't used any of them except for this liner one, which I used to do this liner in the tutorial that I will be uploading soon. And I really like this brush. These are all crown brushes, by the way. This one is the C514. And I think this was like $2 or $4. I don't know. Should have gotten a second one. Anyways, I have 8 brushes here, and I got these for $22. That's a good deal. Honestly, like, you could go places and like one brush will be $22, but here I got 8. And honestly, I haven't used all of them, but they look like they're pretty good quality. This is a bronzer brush, an eyeliner brush. I forgot that this one's a crease, I think. This one's a smudger, the liner. I got 2 concealer brushes. They're a little bit different, but that's all right, because I'm planning on using one of them to cut creases and the other one to like pack on shadows. And then I got this blending brush. This looks a little like the Morphe M433. I really like this brush. Well, the way it looks and feels, I cannot wait to try it out. All of these feel super soft. J. La Rue was there. I was so excited. I really love their pigments. I got the pigment in the shade Bliss. This is sort of like a champagne shade with like little bits of green reflex. I cannot wait to use this. Still has the tape on it. I gotta get that off. I got the Soft Glam palette. I know you guys are like, Vanessa, you already have this palette. I do, but this is for my kit. I cannot pass out on this. This is originally $42. I got it for $30. Miss Soft Glam. I also got these lashes for myself from some place called Lashy Box. I don't know, but these are really nice. Also stocked up on Embryolisse. If you guys don't know what Embryolisse is, this is a moisturizer and primer in one, and honestly this is bomb. It really moisturizes your skin so well, and your foundation looks amazing. I'm actually wearing it under my makeup today. Pros use this and I love this. I also got the Cozzette brush cleaner. I love this brush cleaner. I think it's so good, and it was only 11 bucks. Honestly, like, there were so many good deals. So many good deals. Why couldn't I be born rich? I'm gonna jump into the Sephora portion of this haul, and I also got the NARS. What is this, exposed? I don't even know what this is called. The name's on. Oh yes, it is. Yes, the NARS exposed cheek palette. It's so tiny you cannot even see it. This has like the coolest 3D packaging. Like, if you guys could see this in person, it looks like waves. So in here you get 5 blushes and 1 highlighter. I would swatch them, but I think I'm gonna do a review on this palette. I haven't used it yet, but I'm really excited to. And yeah, so be on the lookout for that. Oh, I forgot to mention that I also got my $100 Rouge reward, so I use this towards my my purchase. So yeah, I got the Marc Jacobs Accomplice powder in the shade Siren, also 52. This is honestly such a bougie ass powder, like I can't even. You see this right here? It's a brush. It's a brush. And to pop it back in, you lift this part up and stick this on there. It's like magnetic, and bam, you're good for touch-ups on the go. When I first got it, I was like really shook because this looks so well. At first it looked so orange in person, but when you put it on, it doesn't really look orange. It's mainly like, I would say it's a little bit translucent, a little bit. It does have a little bit of a sheen, but you can barely see it. It's not like a highlighter. I would never use this to set my under eyes or just set my entire face. I would use it as a finishing powder when I'm done with my makeup. I did put it on today. I only have it on my forehead and the lower parts of my face, but yeah, I would normally use it everywhere except my under eyes. Here's what it looks like. You guys can barely see it on camera, and it honestly looks white on camera, but it's not, and it is a little bit shimmery, but again, once you apply it, you can't even see that. I also got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. This one I haven't used yet, but I've heard such amazing things. It has this beautiful rose gold packaging, and it looks like this. This is the shade medium 2. I know it looks super white on camera, but when you swatch it, there's barely any color. Like, it's barely there. But apparently it makes people look airbrushed, so we shall see. I'll keep you guys updated once I use this. Also from Charlotte Tilbury, I got the Cheek to Chic Swish and Pop blusher. I got the shade Sex on Fire, which actually is the one that I'm wearing today as a blush. Look at the highlight though. But it is the blush that I am wearing today. It's so stunning. But I didn't read the box, and I just learned something new. So this is what it looks like. Apparently the outside color is the swish, and it's supposed to be swish it across your cheekbones, and then the inner color is called the pop, and you're supposed to pop middle shade onto apples of the cheek. Honestly, I just mixed them both, and I put them both together on my cheeks. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, these are the worst swatches ever. And my ring light is so bright. Hold on. I don't know why I didn't think about this earlier. But hopefully you can see that better. This is the outside color, the inside color, and then this is both of them mixed together. Damn, I look terrible in this lighting. Like, personally, I do like them better together, but they are pretty on their own. I did get this because when I swatched it, it felt so different. Like, it wasn't like it's powder and it feels like powder, but when you see it on your skin, it looks like a cream, if that makes sense. Like, I just thought it blended so nicely. I also got the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist, and this is supposed to be, this is here, it's a 4-in-1 wonder for the skin infused with 24K gold flakes. It acts as a hydrating skin mist containing rose hip seed oil as a primer to grip makeup in place, as a setting mist to ensure all day wear, and as a makeup refresher throughout the day. So I did use this as a primer the other day. I did not like it. It felt like I feel like my foundation looked like I didn't have any primer. However, I do spray it on my face before I apply highlighter, which is why I look so dewy today. I really like it to take away that powdery look once you're doing your makeup. I have not tried it out as a setting spray because I usually always just spray the Urban Decay All Nighter afterwards. But either way, I really do like this. On its own, it makes you look really glowy and dewy and just like your skin is super healthy. And then I like it on over my makeup as well because it gives me a dewy, fresh, like I got poppin' ass skin look, you know? Last but not least, I cannot believe I got this. I actually got the Fenty Beauty Body Lava in the shade Trophy Wife. Wait, record scratch. I also got the Fenty Beauty bronzer, but I did not like it. I returned it. Like, I was so disappointed because I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a review on it, blah blah blah, but no, I just didn't think it was good. Honestly, nothing comes close to my NYX bronzer, and it's only $7. So, but yeah, I got the Body Lava, and the reason why I didn't want to get this was because it just felt so sticky. But if you put it on with a brush instead of your hands, you should be fine. It is stunning. Like, I wish I was going on vacation so I could drown in this. And the packaging is so luxurious and so beautiful. I love it so much. I am gonna put some on actually for you guys. Where should I? I'm gonna do one pump. That's actually probably too much. I'm using this kabuki brush to put it on. Let's spread it. I don't know if you guys could see that. It also smells really good. Actually, let me swatch some on my hand. I don't know if you guys could see that. I don't know if you guys could see that. I'm really sorry. I record on my phone. I don't have like a camera that picks up everything. But yeah, this is so beautiful. So stunning. I would definitely recommend it. Just make sure that you don't use too much and that you do apply it with a brush and not your hands, because then you'll feel sticky. So that is it for this makeup haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Leave me video recommendations down below, and I'll see you guys next time.